Since its establishment in 2001, Pharmapack has been driven by its main strategic goal to become an international brand committed to R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service of smart packaging equipment and coating system. Pharmapack owns 3 brands: Pharmapack, ink-iet, Xingyang, all of which have fulfilled the dream of all Pharmapack Technologies people. Let Made in China become the mark of quality and technology. From its headquarters in Guangzhou to Guangzhou, the second manufacturing center of Pharmapack Group and all its global subsidiaries, Pharmapack has continuously optimized its business model, management system, and innovation in technology in order to position itself as the global leader of packaging equipment in the pharmaceutical industry. Adhering to the concept of change begins with innovation, Pharmapack has learned and embraced the world's most advanced technology with the help of its subsidiaries in Europe, North America, and India to provide high quality and comprehensive service for global customers. Pharmapack integrates innovative R&D resources at home and abroad and has more than 250 patented technologies, which are widely used in the pharmaceutical, food, healthcare, chemical, and electronic industries. Pharmapack has provided more than 1,000 smart packaging lines to customers worldwide. Customer satisfaction is our eternal pursuit and motivation. Digital unlocking the power of technologies. With the development of the Internet, Pharmapack has deployed Digitalization Cloud to cover the entire life cycle of our equipment. With the help of 5G plus digital technology, we provide our customers an intelligent manufacturing facility. From Made in China to intelligent manufacturing in China, with the help of AR and VR technologies, Pharmapack has reached digitalization on production, sales, and maintenance, and has empowered the enterprises to transform into intelligent facilities. The AGV project drives innovation in production and management. It enables traceability of logistics data, reduces operation cost, and improves production efficiency. Our packaging lines have been sold to more than 50 countries and regions around the world, providing customers with digitalization solutions and OEE optimization suggestions, helping customers to achieve lean production and intelligent facilities. In the future, Pharmapack will continue to take innovation as the driving force and achieve sustainable green manufacturing as its mission. Grasp the pulse of the development of the times and lead to a new height in the field of intelligent packaging.